Welcome to our interior design tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to transform your bedroom tray ceiling into a stunning focal point using a variety of components. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a novice decorator, we've got something for everyone. Let's get started. Step 1. Ceiling preparation. First things first, let's prepare the ceiling. Begin by framing lumber to create the structure for your tray ceiling. This will give it depth and character. Afterward, apply drywall to encase the frame, ensuring a smooth and even surface for the next steps. Step 2. Crown molding and tray ceiling trim. Enhance the transition between the ceiling and walls by installing crown molding. It adds elegance and sophistication to your tray ceiling. To take it up a notch, consider tray ceiling trim for additional detailing. Step 3. Recessed and cove lighting. Now, let's bring in some light. Recessed lighting fixtures can be placed strategically within the tray ceiling to provide ambient and accent lighting. To create a warm and inviting atmosphere, add cove lighting using LED strips or rope lights. This hidden light source will give your bedroom a cozy glow. Step 4. Ceiling medallion and ceiling fan. Add a touch of elegance with a decorative ceiling medallion around your light fixture or ceiling fan. Speaking of fans, consider installing a stylish ceiling fan with decorative blades and a lighting kit. It's both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Step 5. Coffered panels and mirror panels. To create a captivating visual effect, incorporate coffered panels into your tray ceiling. They add depth and texture. Another option is mirror panels. These will reflect light and make your bedroom appear more spacious and glamorous. Step 6. Skylights and ventilation. For a touch of natural beauty, consider installing skylights or roof windows within your tray ceiling. They'll bring in natural light during the day, creating a serene atmosphere. Don't forget about proper ventilation. Air vents or grills should be integrated for comfort. Step 7. Paint, wallpaper, and accent color. Time to add your personal touch. Paint or wallpaper the inner surface of your tray ceiling to match your bedroom's color scheme and style. An accent color can create a stunning contrast and highlight the tray's architecture. Conclusion. And there you have it. Your transformed bedroom tray ceiling is now a work of art. With framing lumber, drywall, crown molding, ceiling beams, and all these fantastic components, you've taken your bedroom to a whole new level. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more interior design tips and inspiration. Happy decorating!